Refrigerator by your link you can win there are $300 in a single sale. Even staff knows when I arrive and speak so personal here in the description has a link to you. Buy book with discount. That's an extra rent for me every time someone buys. Book by my link I earn a commission or $1.50 you can also do. This is not just because I'm YouTuber, anyone can do this and have a lot of people make money with it. Third tip has an affiliate link in the Hotmart. That is Hotmart is that platform where you go there to buy course here from the channel from whoever you are can have a link, and then if you disclose this course for people and them to buy this course you get a commission, and sometimes the commission is 40%, 50%. I'll give an example. You once had that. I disclosed here on the channel a course. Each person who bought the course by my link I won are $200 galera, but you are a YouTuber but you can do this without being YouTuber. You don't have a network of friends, you don't have people in your work, you can create a channel. If want to stay disclosing this, every person you buy through your link you win money, and the only thing you have to do what to talk to personal people. Look at the new course of my money channel, gives you to do a old story, makes a story on your Instagram. Maybe you have there 1,000 personal followers. The channel My Money created a new course, and if you do here by my link you will help me with the commission is an example I give. But you can do this, and there in the Hotmart has thousands of courses of nutrition, of sport, of pussy, anything goes there, searches, and begins to disseminate.